up guys, Eric from B-Side. Today we have a Lexus RX and we're going to be installing the smartphone mirroring system. Let's get started. Alright, we're in the car. The first thing we want to do is remove this panel over here, and then slowly we're going to work our way up, remove this piece and then this piece over here, and then we're going to access two 10mm screws on each side of the radio, and the radio will pull out very easily. Okay, and once you have this panel off, reach behind here, remove the start button connector. We will have to go down here and look up on both sides, and we'll find the 10mm bolt that we need to unscrew. Okay, all right, and then we'll grab a towel and pull the radio out. And unplug the clock, so give you a little bit more clearance to pull the radio out. So this vehicle over here actually already has the navigation, DVD, and motion bypass installed. We're going to remove it because the NDS6223 EP that we use for the phone mirroring system is just a little bit different. So we're going to replace it with that. And we removed the NDS6223 EP from here, which was installed earlier. And we're going to install our IF04 EP. So everything is plug and play. In the rear, I'm gonna remove this connector first, which was easily done using a little panel removal tool. Just push on the clip, it'll come off like this. You gotta remove this gray connector holder. Remove the one all the way to the right, and that will be replaced with a piece on our IF04 EP, and it will be daisy chained. The other end will be daisy chained to the other part of the IF04 EP, and we're gonna wrap this with the electric tape. Okay, and the other end, insert this clip back on and back into here, and then let's work on the GPS connector. It's also going to be daisy chained between our NDS6223 EP device. Just like that. And one more or two more connectors. These two right in the middle. All right, everything is connected. We're also going to use this adhesive to keep all the devices in place. And we also want to route this cable through the back. Don't forget to connect this harness back. Okay, we're going to carefully put everything back. Alright, before we put everything back in, let's test it and make sure it's working. So I'm going to remove the start button and connect my phone to see if it works. Okay, we confirmed everything's working. So let me reverse install and we'll be done. Alright guys, we just finished installing our smartphone mirroring system on this Lexus RX, and we're currently phone mirroring our iPhone. This is the 6 Plus. If you have the Plus series, you can go sideways and go full screen on it. But this only applies to the home screen. All the other apps that'll take you full screen sideways, they'll work on either phones, the non-Plus series, just for your information. And just another important information, when you first install this phone mirroring system, you'll notice that the display is going to be cut off on the ends. It's going to be normal. So let's check this out. So it's gonna look like this. So it kind of looks a little distorted and there's a lot of blacks on the side. So in order to fix that, go to options and then go to wide and then select stretched. And once you do that, if you go to your phone mirroring screen, you'll find that it's utilizing the whole entire screen like this. So something like this, we have the Waze going on, and as the car moves, it's gonna know the location, it's gonna follow it. And if you want, you can also use the Apple Maps. There's my favorite ice cream shop called Mirage Ice Cream. If you're in the Santa Ana area, check them out.
Starting route to Mirage Ice Cream.
And if you haven't noticed already, all the sound from your phone is going to come out from your car stereo. If you have Netflix, if you have Slingshot, all those applications will work. And if you want to stream some videos, you can do so as well. Okay, just some example of how video will stream. There you have it. Video playing while you're driving. Just make sure it's not for the driver. And make sure the video is only for all the passengers. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure you click on that subscribe button below if you haven't already. And if you have any questions, hit us up at info@beatsonicusa.com. Thank you.